Alright, hello guys, this is video dude 709 here, and we finally got a power back. Yep. So as you can see, I'm on YouTube now. So anyway, let me show you guys something. See this? That's right. You guys gave me 33,000 video views. So thanks a lot. So it's this one the views you guys gave me. And as you can see, these are the Blizzard updates. This is the first update. Yep. Yep. I uploaded this video 6 hours ago. See, this is the 750 update. So the power outage started at precisely 7:45 this morning. So I recorded a few videos this morning, and I recorded one last night. This will be the last one. Which was the last one. Yep. So let me just show you guys something else really awesome. Look at this. Guess you subscribe to me. That's right. Diesel Ducey. Because I'm a huge fan of that guy. Yep. If he's a pretty awesome YouTuber. I've been viewing his videos since the past few years. I think it was 2011 when I first started viewing them. Yep. Anyway. I think it's my channel over here. Anyway, so, yep. Thanks a lot for giving me 33,000 video views. So I guess that'll be all for now. And stay tuned for some more videos coming soon. So, I really hope you guys like this video. And everybody, we're clear. Bye.